I put sunglasses on?
Come over here. Stop.
Please don't. I don't want to be in this. What am I supposed to do?
You're supposed to just sit right there.
Oh, dude, do I need to look at this?
Yeah, well, I mean, you can look at the camera when I'm talking, and then you can do that. Can you reach that? No, please come over here.
Please don't make
me
me
weird
do
to see
this.
like half your head.
No, it really won't.
Yeah, you'll be fine there. You need a booster seat?
Probably.
You're down awful low.
Look, if I look stupid, I'm getting out of the camera. You're gonna have
You
to
don't
film.
look stupid. You look fine.
I do not.
I'll let you look at it when I go back and edit.
Before you post it. Is my face clean? I'm
I
not
got
talking.
this on. You don't have to talk.
Thank you.
No. Okay, folks, we're announcing our 4,000 subscriber winners. There's 4 of you guys, and I'm going to try something new in the editing process and hopefully put a picture of the app my wife was talking about that will randomly select 4 people. And this is my wife, Valerie. We've been married 25 years, almost 26 now. And I've been talking about her, and this was her idea, so I wanted to bring her on the channel and introduce you all to her and her to you. The channel's been doing really well, and it's because of you guys. So we just want to take a minute and just love on y'all and say thank you in a small, small way. So we've got our sticker, we've got a patch, we have another patch, and we have a Butler Customs shirt. That's the front of it, and then on the back, this is just one of mine, then on the back it's got the logo with Hartsville, Tennessee on it, where our shop is. So if you are drawn as one of the winners, I will tag you in this video, or hopefully I'll be able to tag you. I've never done that before, but I'll try. Also, I'll go back on the original video and I will comment on your comment, reply to your comment, I guess that's what you'd say, and let you know that you won. Now, what you need to do is reach out to me via email, and that way I can get your shirt size if you want a shirt, and I can get your address of where to send whatever you want. Now, if you didn't win, you might not know this, but you can buy my shirts, you can buy my hats, different colors and styles. You can even buy hoodies and patches, anything you need. Simply email me. It's Butler Customs Motorcycle Shop. It's the name of my channel. Just type that in at gmail.com. Send me an email and I can get whatever you want ordered. I'm about to put in a big shirt order, so if you'd like to get in on the shirt side, let me know. I'm also got a hat order I'm sending in Monday. So if you want a hat, let me know. Shirts are running $25 plus shipping, and hats are running 25 plus, no, 30 plus shipping on the hats. These are the nice Richardson hats here. So if you order a hat from me, if you want, in the email, let me know and I'll sign under the bill for you. It won't add a cent to the value, but it's pretty cool. So the names that we've got, hopefully you're seeing a little picture-in-picture on this video. If not, this part's going to be really weird. Anything you want to say? And some of you guys have asked, my name's Kevin. I don't think I've ever said that in any of my videos. My name's Kevin. This is my wife, Valerie. One day she wrote me a birthday card, and she said, I love you more than a hog loves slop. And that's when I knew I had a winner with her. Okay, Miss Valerie, we're drawing now for the vinyl sticker. This is your part. All right. Do we need to write this down? All right, the winner is, does it like pop up? Hey, LG, sorry, dyslexic. LG Lawn Care 8166. You get a Butler Customs vinyl sticker. It's been floating around here in my shop in my tool cart for a minute, but I think it's still good. If not, reach out to me and let me know. All right. That's for the patch. All right, now we're drawing for one of the, or that was for the sticker. Did you write that down? Now we're drawing for one of the patches, really nice patches. A lady at our church makes these, really, really nice. And she's making another batch, so if you want one, email me as well. All right. This is pretty cool. I'm glad you thought of this. Wade Reed. Oh, Wader Eid. Wader Eid. That sounds like a new Gatorade flavor. Wade Reed 3905. So congratulations, you won a patch. Please email me and I'll get it to you. All right, this is for the other patch. This is like Wheel of Fortune. Okay, we'll have to spin again. You done won, LG Lawn Care. I guess we could took them. Well, it'd be too much to take the names out that won, wouldn't it? All right. You get a free spin. All right, this is Gene P 3022. You won the second patch. Gene P or Jen Ep or Gene P. All right, now we are drawing for our grand prize, this time of the Butler Customs t-shirt in whatever size you'd like. Give her a spin. And the winner of our shirt is JBT68. So JBT68, reach out to me. So thank you guys so much for playing along. If we ever do hit 5,000 subscribers, then we're going to do 5 things, and they're going to just get more awesome. Some things coming up. You should see this coming out Friday. The Gixxer 600 gets a new stator and rectifier relocation. I'm also shooting a video now on a 96 Honda Shadow 1100 VT 1100C. No run, no start, no crank, and I'm in the middle of that video and it's going really well. I also got in, was it yesterday? Had some subscribers come up from out of state. They brought a Dyna that we're getting fixed up, and they brought a Triumph Trophy 1200, 2001, I believe. And that bike is going to be for sale, so we'll be selling that here in the shop. But we're going to do a video of putting it all back together. It came in a million pieces. So that's going to be a fun time for us. And then we got the Softail build, Springer Softail we got to build. And then we've got the Evo Road King. We got to put a new cam bearing in and new lifters. And then we got a chopper we're going to build from the frame up. So a lot of things coming. So thank you guys so much for your support, for subscribing, especially to our paying members that pay, and also to all those shares and the likes and the thumbs up. I don't know how the Google machine YouTube algorithm works, but it's working. You guys are doing it. So thank you so much. And Valerie's going to end us with a closing song. I'll tell you, Mama now. I said hi.
We're gonna have to redo this.
Nope, that's it.
No, I'm not being in this at all.
Yes.
I know I look stupid.
You don't look stupid.